Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Solishy Sakem. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe is Akra banana. It's a simple recipe that doesn't require a lot of ingredients from Cameroon. Let's get into it. So guys, for this recipe, all you need is two cassava. I'm using two, but it also depends on the quantity you want to make. I have a cup of corn flour, baking powder. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of this. Salt, of course. I'm sure you're getting used to this, my bowl. Salt, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 overripe banana. Back at home we used to pound it, but mine I'm going to, since I don't have a mortar, I'm just going to blend it. Yes, I will blend it before putting it inside. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the cassava. I'm thinking if I should grate it. Back at home we usually grate the cassava, or whether I'm going to blend it. So yeah. So guys, I'm done peeling my cassava. Oops. So I was thinking if I should grate it or blend it. You see, the truth of the whole matter is I don't trust my blender. Yes, I don't trust it. So in order for me not to disgrace my blender, I'm going to do it as we do it in Cameroon. I'm going to use my Cameroonian grater. Eesh. I know some people will be thinking like, where did she get this in Europe? My dear, I got it from Belgium. Belgium, now semi-Africa.
Is it finished?
It's finished.
It's not finished. You still need to mix it with the hand.
So guys, at this point, you can see I'm done grating the cassava. Baby sister could not allow me talk. So after grating the cassava, I squeezed out the water. I use a cloth to squeeze out the water. There is this kind of cloth that looks like a napkin. In Cameroon, they use napkin for babies. So for those who have kids, you know what I'm talking about. But you want to use a cloth that the water can easily penetrate, or just use anything that you are able to squeeze out the water. After that, you want to add all the other ingredients to it, which is the baking powder, the salt, and then the corn flour, and then last but not the least is the banana. I blend my banana, but you can also press it with a spoon, or if you have a mortar, you can pound it, because in Cameroon they pound it. But I blended mine because I don't have a mortar. So I'm going to mix all this together. See, I tried using the spatula, but I realized that it was not mixing the way I wanted it. So I am taking the spatula away, and I'm going to use my hand as our mothers do it in Cameroon. And I'm just going to mix to my satisfaction. So guys, look at the texture. Just look at it. So nice. Yeah, mix very well until everything is combined. After mixing, I am going to cover it with a cloth and let it rest for 1 hour. Yeah guys, it's 1 hour already. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wrap this Akra banana into small round balls. I will be using my chopping board. You can use a tray. And I'm also going to take a good quantity of the Akra banana and put on the chopping board to ease my work. And I'm just going to round it and round it. While doing that, I have already put my oil on fire to get warm, so that when I'm done rounding, my oil also will be ready for me to fry. Yes, now the oil is hot. Please do not mind my oil. I use it to fry gâteau. That's why it's looking like that. I'm going to start frying now. One thing is, it is good to already make the Akra banana into round balls, because it will make the frying go faster and easier. I'm going to fry until everything is finished. Note, while frying, you don't want to fry on a high heat. Please fry with a low heat, because when it's too high, when the heat is too high, the tendency that the Akra will not get cooked inside is very high. You also want to fry the Akra banana until it is golden brown. When it is golden brown, then you know it's cooked. Yeah. Look at it. Can you see it as I'm stirring it in the pot? That's how you have to do it. You just have to keep stirring and stirring until everything is brown. Just look at that. That's how it looks like. Right now, I'm done with everything. This is like the last one, and I'm just going to take it out. Yeah, guys, our Akra banana is ready, set to be eaten with this delicious pepper sauce. If you want to know how I made this sauce, please leave a comment below. If you've been watching till this moment and you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.